What in the world are these?
Those who pre-ordered BX23 with me already seen this. They are the first to receive this new series of free gifts, and they like it. I invited you all to assist in naming them, and your ideas inspired me. I've decided to name them the BeyInfo Card. But these are only the beta versions, not for sale. They will be randomly given to my buyers, one per order, regardless of how much you spend. For this beta version, it serves a straightforward purpose. It functions as a flashcard. Try to guess the name of this character. Multi-non-arrow. Did you get it? Try again. Guess what Beyblade is this? Dransword 360F. And you'll also find some other info on the card, such as the type of bay, spin direction, as well as the owner. These are the 8 designs I will be giving out throughout the month of January. I have started to include them in all orders since the 2nd of January. Many buyers have already received them. And that's not all. I printed limited editions with holographic glass effect, where every 20 will contain one of these cards. The chance is 1 in 20. How do you like them? Even the back of the card has the holographic glass effect. So BX23 was a start. I want to make it so that with every pre-order, I can give away a card related to the product. Just like buyers who pre-order BX23 with me receive the Phoenix Wing BeyInfo Card. I have already sent Unicorn Sting for printing. Hopefully it will be in time when the Beyblade is released. By the way, BX26 is available for pre-order now on Shopee Malaysia. Well, even if you can't pre-order with me, you'll still receive these free gifts when making a purchase from me, but I will give them randomly. I'll be packing parcels right after this, and for my viewers, I'll be giving a sneak peek into the card that each order will receive, all for your enjoyment. I promise to give these gifts fairly, not looking at how much you spend. Everyone will have an equal chance. This is one sample of what you'll receive. So, if you receive one of these, simply tear it open and take out the card. Let's pack some orders together now, and see which card I've pulled for them. Hopefully someone will get the limited edition. This is /Dragon 00 Octa Metsu from B1 for 9 GT triple booster set. Because it is taken out of a big set, I'll have to cut the stickers. Selling loose items is not an easy job. There were once a buyer scolded us for charging too much because when he added up all items, they appeared to be much more expensive than the set. Take this /Dragon as an example. It has been sitting on the shelf for more than 6 months before someone finally bought it. People usually pick the popular items, and the less popular ones end up stuck on the shelf holding onto our money. I have no choice but to price the popular items, taking into consideration how long we'll sell the non-popular ones. Let's find out which card this buyer will receive. Guess the name of this bay. Night Lance for 80 HN from BX13. Not the limited edition. Hope the buyer will still like it. Let's see what the next buyer will get. This is Prominence Phoenix Tapered Metal Universe 10 from B191 Overdrive Special Starter Set. Selling a complete set brings quicker profits, while selling loose items requires more work and takes longer to make money. It can still be profitable if priced carefully. Very much depends on a seller's experience and approach. By the way, you should now find a growing selection of Beyblade X parts in my shops on top of Beyblade Burst. You don't always have to buy the complete set, especially if it includes duplicate parts. If you can't afford to get any, wait a little longer. The price may drop for non-popular items. Let those eager for popular items make their purchases first. Let's find out which BeyInfo Card this order will receive. Your guess? Comment X. Hope the next buyer will get the limited edition. BX23 Starter Phoenix Wing 960 GF. BX0 to Starter Hell Sight for 60T. Beyfan's merch, Extreme Stadium Storage Backpack. This is a relatively big order. I'll throw an extra free gift. In case you got confused, only pre-orders will get the card related to the product. The BX23 here is not a pre-order, so I'll randomly include a BeyInfo card. Time to guess which card this order will end up with. I'll also include a wristband, in a random color. Sword 360F. Still not the limited edition. The next buyer must get it. B193 Booster Ultimate Valkyrie Legacy Variable -9. One of the hot selling items. Oops, almost forgot to include free gifts. Luckily I realized it earlier. This time has to be the limited edition. Sword 360F limited edition. I hope you'll like it. Let's wrap up with the final order and see which is the last BeyInfo card I'll pull. BX14 Random Booster Volume 1. You won't be able to tell which Bey until you check the QR code card. Is BX1403 Sword 380B? Other than BX1401 and 02. 03 is the next popular item, which gets sold out relatively faster compared to the rest. I didn't forget about free gift this time. I wonder what's the last pull would be. What do you think? Hell's Scythe for 60T. This would be a perfect match with the other order that got the BX02. In the next upcoming packed parcel video similar to this, I'll unbox BX24 Random Booster Volume 2 and will also be uncovering some hidden secrets in the world of Beyblade selling related to random boosters.